That is how you make the most easy and perfect sandwich bread. Start with dry yeast, oat milk, agave syrup, or sugar. Then we give this a little mix and we let it sit for about 15 minutes. Flour. When you work it by hand, you add little by little. And as usual, start with a wooden spoon and then work it on the surface. Add some oil and salt. And then the rest of the flour. And you know it's done when you see that it starts to cut loose from the sides. Then take your dough out. Just shape this into a little ball and try to create tension on the top. Okay. The ball goes in the bowl. We're gonna let this ferment for about an hour. It's supposed to double in size. That took closer to 1.5 hours. Now you need to prep a loaf tin. Then grease it with either like butter or oil. Both works very fine. It should be something like this. And now we're gonna shape the loaf. Put it on your baking surface. Shape it to a rectangle. Something like this. Then you take the short sides and fold them into the middle. And then you're gonna roll this. You want to create a lot of tension in the dough when doing this. So I kind of like drag and shape. Drag and shape. And put it seam down in the little bread tin. Now let this rest until it doubles in size once again. It's done. This is gonna go in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes in 175 degrees Celsius, which is 345 degrees Fahrenheit. It's gonna become a little bit golden on top and sound a little bit hollow when you tick, tick, tick. You know, so exciting. I mean, look at that. Perfection. Now, if you don't want this crusty crust, right away when it comes out, you brush it with water. I still didn't find my brush. We're gonna let it cool down a bit in the tin for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna move it to cool down on a rack.